Hi, I'm Michael Josh, and you're watching GadgetMatch. We're here in Barcelona, Spain, taking a break from covering Mobile World Congress 2019. As you know, we gave out some awards today, and one of the winners is the winner for Best in Laptop. We have it right here. This is our Huawei MateBook X Pro unboxing. Okay, let's start with the box. A premium laptop deserves premium packaging, as can be seen by the textured finish on this white box and the gold accents. First order of business, knife please. Okay, let's slice the seal open. To open, just lift the top up like so and push back. Let's see that again from another angle. See what happens? One side of the laptop lifts up slightly, making it easy to take the laptop out. Just lift on this tab over here. Today we're unboxing the Space Gray MateBook X Pro. Notice what it says on the wrapper. Connect to the adapter and charge the battery before powering on for the first time. I shall obey, and you should too. Setting it aside for later, let's take a look at what's in these boxes. This big one contains the USB-C cable. It should probably also contain some manual or warranty card in the actual retail unit. And in this smaller box, a 65-watt fast charger. Okay, let's gently peel off this wrapper. When you flip it around, notice up front the Huawei logo is all text, no more flower icon. You really have to hold it in your hand to see how slim it's designed and how premium it's built. Okay, now to open this up. Nice. Let's peel off the sheet so we can see what's underneath better. Boom. Power button is here, which is also a built-in fingerprint sensor. Speaker grills are over here. There are 4, by the way, on this machine, and they support Dolby Atmos. The NFC sticker for the new Huawei Share feature is over here. There's a generously sized trackpad and a full-sized keyboard. Port placements are like this. Headphone jack and 2 USB-C ports on the left. One is for charging, the other supports full-speed Thunderbolt 3, and on the right side, a full-sized USB-A port. Oh, and if you're new to the MateBook X Pro, there's one surprise hidden over here on the keyboard, a pop-up video camera. And that was our Huawei MateBook X Pro unboxing. If you'd like to learn more about this laptop, we've already posted a hands-on video. You can click over here to watch that. And if you'd like to see a review video, let us know by leaving a message in the comments section below. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on social media for all the fun stuff. And as always, make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. From here in Barcelona, Spain, I'm Michael Josh. Thanks for dropping by.